afternoon, guys. Today we will make green tomato sweet pickle. Okay, here are the ingredients: green tomato, onion, celery, allspice, turmeric, cloves, mustard seed, and cinnamon stick, and coarse sea salt, brown sugar, white vinegar, or we can use the apple cider vinegar. Okay, let's start by slicing the green tomato. And we also slice the green onion, the white onion. We have to measure 9 cups of sliced green tomato. 1, 2, we will mix 1/4 cup of coarse salt. And we will leave this overnight. Next, we will put the onion. We will mix in the green tomatoes. Okay, and we will leave this overnight. Hello guys, after an overnight marinating this green tomato and onion, we will now drain the liquid. Okay guys, let's go. Okay guys, we will leave it and we will drain the liquid. Now, we sterilize the lid and the bottles for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we have to take them out and put them in a tray with a clean towel. Okay, here. Now, here are the clean bottles too that I have to sterilize. Now, after 10 minutes, we have to take out now the bottles. We have to take out the bottles after 10 minutes. And put it in a tray with the clean towel. Now we're going to prepare the mixture for the sweet green tomato. We'll put 3 cups of white sugar, 3 cups of vinegar, 1 1 teaspoon of allspice, half teaspoon of mustard seed, one teaspoon of celery seed, and half teaspoon of turmeric. We will boil this, and then we will before we will put in the green tomato. Guys, now we have to stir the mixture sometimes while boiling. Now we're going to put the green tomato in the bottles. Let's pour the pickling mixture in the bottles. And we have to cover it